Welcome back, Laughs Crest Barbecue Show. Thanks to everybody for tuning in to the Instagram, the TikTok, and the YouTube Shorts. It's really gaining popularity, so thanks everybody. Thanks for spreading the word. You know, I do this for fun and just to make together some great meals. Now, I'm not making a meal today, something different today. I'm breaking up, maybe, with the brick. What am I talking about? Well, if you remember my last episode for the griddle, I got this beautiful new griddle over the summer, and I've been using the heck out of it and cleaned it several times with this brick, you know, these pumice bricks here. You pour some oil on, you scrub and remove. It's okay, I don't think I've ever done a great job. And I came across this new product on YouTube from 3M and watched a bunch of videos, and it looks like it's gonna just do an amazing job, so we're gonna put it to the test. Now, it does say it's for professional use, but I do have a professional grill, so that counts. So what is it? I mean, there's some liquid. Voila, some liquid we're gonna pour on. And it comes with a bunch of these scrubby things and this attachment here. So we're gonna just attach, you know, the scrubby thing to there for a bit of scrubbing action, and then we're gonna squeegee it all off. And it's supposed to look pretty good. You know, as you can see, if we pan over to the B-roll I shot, grills are pretty, it's been used a lot. We love using our grill. It'll be interesting to see what we can bring back. Straightforward following the instructions. And the instructions are get it up to 325, 350 degrees. So I've got a thermometer on the griddle. And without further ado, let's see what happens. We got some before pictures. Let's see what happens with after. Let's get started. All right, so let's get going here. So the instructions, first of all, are to remove any debris. So we take our scraper, get rid of any debris. I was cooking on this last night. Made a great Sam the cooking guy pasta, actually. All right, so there's no obvious debris, though there's lots of stuff on here. All right. And we're supposed to be doing this at temperatures in 325 to 350. So on this unit, doesn't actually have temperature, being pro unit, but however, I've got this Lee Valley Tools thermometer that I put right on. There you go, and you can see the temperature. So we're at 300, 325, and just as a double check, I'm gonna use this, there we go, 351, right? So we're at 350, a little hotter there, 330 there, 328 there, so we're in the zone. So let's get this thermometer off and then open our bag, product, chemicals, whatever. Whoop. All right, and then spread it around. So here we go. And it's doing its work. Now the next step is to take our brush here, move all the product around, and start scraping. Doesn't smell too bad. Of course, I don't have a vent, but I'm doing this outdoors. And here you go, you're supposed to scrape away. A little bit cold out, so you're seeing some smoke coming up. Not too bad. All right, now let's get the squeegee going. Wow. Pretty impressive, actually. Haven't seen some of this stainless steel in a while. Look at that. Not right down to the perfect, I guess, you know, you'd be doing this on a more regular basis, but pretty impressed though. You know, again, you don't want it too hot because you melt all your product here. And your next step is to wash with soapy water. So let's get that done. Love the squeegee. All right, I'm gonna give it another wash. Very good, like it moved a lot of material. There is a lot to be moved. So I'm gonna try this again actually tomorrow. The next time I'll have the grill maybe a little less hot. But you can see some signs here, you know, you're down to the stainless, and here and here and here. And I've changed the water. This is now super clean water, so I'm gonna give it one more wipe. Wash the squeegee too. I don't want to get any of that chemical off of here. I've now turned the griddle off. All right, let's squeegee that off with my handy new squeegee. Nothing else, I got a handy new squeegee. I like that. And I've washed the squeegee as well. Remarkable change from before. I haven't even seasoned it yet. I'm gonna dry it off here with a little bit of paper towel. But the change is pretty remarkable. Get these edges. Don't want to forget up on these edges here, or any kind of dirt can hide. Still here, but considering I did many cooks on this, this will be good because I'll just clean it more often. I bet I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. Give it another go and see what happens. And I'll give it the day. Now let's season it up. I've got a little bit of grapeseed oil here. I'm gonna give it a go, season it up, and then that'll be the final kind of look to it all. There we go. All right, not all the way there yet, but it has a long way to go. So this will be a two-parter. I'll come back now tomorrow and give it another clean and see if we can get right down to the steel. But we're pretty close. All right, that's part one.